Hey everybody, it's Jackie from Mira Stitch'n Post. And I know it doesn't look like Mira Stitch'n Post. That's because, like you, I am in isolation and I'm upstairs in my sanctuary, otherwise known as my sewing room. So I'm just going to give you a quick little tour of my sewing room. There's my little office space that I work in to do all my administrative stuff. I've got my patterns and fabric cupboards over here. I have my beautiful 980Q Epic overlooking the Mira River. I have my S25 serger. Over here I have my ironing station and my beautiful Epic 2 designer sewing and embroidery machine. Alright, so what is the So Mysterious Mystery Quilt? Well, it is a beautiful, elegant 9-patch quilt set on point. It will have 2 alternating blocks as well as borders. I hope to include in this video some very basic rotary cutting techniques, some pressing techniques, how to get an accurate and 1/4 inch seam allowance, and you're going to have 4 sizes to choose from. The 4 sizes that you can choose from are going to be lap, twin, queen, and king size. So for those of you that are very got lots of time on your hand, that king size will definitely keep you busy. Great project for you to use up some of your stash fabric. I have chosen to use the Botanical Oasis Fat Quarter Bundle that we have in the shop, and you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fat quarters. That actually equals to 2.5 meters, which is more than enough for me to do a queen size quilt, which I'm going to work on. I also have my background fabric, and I've just chosen this little white with a little bit of blue going through. It looks really nice with my fabrics. And then the green that you see up across the top here, that will be my setting triangles once we get to that part of the project. All right, so how's it going to work? We're going to post daily videos. So you'll have a day to work on your project, and we're going to have a contest. So we want you to post your fabrics, again, your sewing space, your progress that you are making to share with everybody. That way we get a sense that we're all together. And then once everybody starts posting, for every post that you put, you're going to gain yourself a ballot. That ballot's going to go for a gift card for $50 to the Mira Stitch'n Post. So without any further ado, I am going to get busy starting, and we'll be back at you later. Cheers.